So I would like to finish to show you a few strange things that I discovered during creating the cube and animating the cube. If you see where I'm now, I want to rotate this surface clockwise, and all the small cubes are already animated. Just one is remaining, the green one. So I want to create the animation for this cube. I created the animation backwards because it's easier to scramble the cube than rather than to apply all the rules to get it right once it is scrambled. So I start by copying the state of the previous frame, the previous end frame, and for the moment I delete the orientation. So what I want to use is only using the rotation to rotate the cube. So we have to find which axis should be used, so I simply try it out. This X rotation does not work, it's not the right one, so no problem. Control Z to undo. We try the Y axis, it's not okay. So it should be the Z one, but the Z is not working either. It's just doing the same than the X. And that is the first question, why this happens. So I had to find out a workaround. So I used the orientation this time to bring my cube to the correct place. And this is easier in fact than using the rotation, because we can use the handle on screen. This is the one I have to use, and if I try it out, I see indeed that the cube is going with the correct movement to the place I want it to be. I have to enter the correct value manually, no problem, that's what I've done now. So that should be okay. But if now I test out this animation, I notice another strange thing. Let me show first what happens even more strange. Here I already used the orientation property to do the previous step, and between these two frames I want the cube to not move at all, so the two positions have exactly the same property, the same value. However, if I go from one keyframe to the other, although the keyframes have exactly the same value, the cube is moving. Why is this happening? And so if I use the main animation, I see that my cube is doing the correct rotation to the same the correct destination, but not in line with the other cubes which have been animated using the rotation property. So although the keyframes for the orientation are set to linear, it looks like here like they are doing a kind of in-out animation. So these are the two things that wanted to bring you to your attention. And sorry for my English, but I'm doing my best. Thank you for listening.